waiting for snow. Kids and grown-ups alike. I don't wanna be riding my bike this time tomorrow. The weatherman says it's a go, but look in the sky, I don't know. Santa, can you please make...
Are you ready to show everybody what we got? Are you ready to show everybody what we got? Okay, let's show them. Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and if you are new here, my name is Jennifer, so welcome. I make weekly videos here on my channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys everything that I got for my Christmas decor. So I have everything laid out in front of me and I'm just going to show you guys, and then also I am going to show me decorating around the house and how everything turns out. And I just lit my candle and I have Coco here with me, and I'm sitting on this new cozy rug that I got for my living room. I found this at Home Depot. It has this really nice sheen to it and it's the perfect just ivory kind of color. So it is right. I'm feeling like angelic right now. Anyways, yeah, and then also I have my bookcase over there, if you can see it to the right of me or your left. And I just did a DIY video on how I kind of did a makeover on it. So I'll link that video here if you guys are interested in watching it. So hopefully this sun in my face is not bothering you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into what I got for my Christmas decor. And also I'm going to be uploading Vlogmas weeks instead of doing like daily Vlogmas. So if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, because I will be uploading Vlogmas like week videos every single Sunday, and then also just a regular normal video on Wednesdays. So I'll be uploading Wednesdays and Sundays every week. Also, I'll link down below what I'm wearing today. I have this super cozy sweater that I got from Kohl's on Black Friday. So I'll link this down below, and then I just have some cozy black pants from Target and my moccasins. And also anything that I mentioned, I will have the links down below. If you can't find something, just leave it in the comments and I will find the link for you. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up for my tree is this topper, and this is kind of where I got the inspiration for my theme for my Christmas tree this year. So it is an angel topper, and it's called a capiz angel tree topper. So it's like this really pretty kind of crystal see-through look with gold detail, and then for the head of the angel it's like a pearl. So the theme of my tree this year is going to be kind of a pearly, like pearlescent look with a lot of neutral colors, so black, white, and then a little pop of gold throughout the tree. So this kind of gave me the idea for my entire theme of my tree. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. I love this. And then while I was at Walmart, I also got these Scent Sickles scented ornament in the white winter fir scent. So you just hang these on your tree. They look like this, and it makes the tree smell like a fresh cut tree, because I just have an artificial tree. But I got these last year and it smells so good. They make your entire house smell like a fresh cut, like evergreen tree. So I would definitely recommend these if you have an artificial tree. And also at Walmart I found a wreath. So I liked this one because it was just so simple, and it just is kind of a white frosted wreath. And then at Michael's I picked up these kind of pearlescent picks, I think is what you call them, so that I can just put these inside of the wreath. And I can kind of design the wreath however I want. So this year I can add these, but next year I can always add something different and kind of change up the look of the wreath. So this I think was really affordable too, maybe like $10. Also at Michael's I found these larger picks for the Christmas tree. So they're still sort of that pearlescent, pretty look. So I'm going to try and see how to put these on the tree. I think it's going to make it look really pretty, and it's going to tie in with the angel topper and the pearl on top. And then I also picked up this black and white wrapping paper, and it just has like pine cones. So I thought it would go well with the rest of the decor because it's black and white and it'll stick with that neutral theme. The last thing that I picked up from Michael's is this ribbon, which is so pretty. I don't know if from here it's gonna pick it up, but it's like a very sheer organza pearlescent kind of ivory ribbon, and it's so pretty. And I just thought it would really tie in with this look that I'm doing this year. So I just have a few other things to show you guys. This is the wreath holder that I picked up, and I got this at Kohl's, and I really liked that it looks like a cross, but it has that black scrolling, which actually ties in really well with the bookshelf over there. So I kind of like having things throughout the house in each room that sort of tie the entire house together, and I thought this would be really pretty for the wreath. And the last thing that I picked up is this sheet music kind of banner that hangs. And I think I'm gonna put this over on the door back there, but it says "Oh Holy Night," which is my favorite Christmas holiday song, and it's the sheet music, and it has a little church, and then it also has a little kind of bow ribbon right there, which I thought matched the lamp shade that's in our living room so well. So this is so cute. I was so excited to have found this, and there was only one left of these, so I just thought it would be really pretty, and it was really unique. I've never seen anything like this. So yeah, that is everything. Also, I can show you guys the things that I have from last year that I'm also going to be using for the tree. So let me grab those. That candle is smelling so good in here. I'll link that down below if I can find it. Anyways, okay. So some other things that I'm going to use from last year is this wrapping paper. It's white with a little bit of gold detail, and it just says Mary. I got this one from Target, and they might still have this, so I'll try and find it. I'm also going to be using these crystal trees that light up. I think they just look so chic and kind of like crystal and expensive. I think my mom got these for me a few years ago, but it's just a set of 3, so I'm gonna put these somewhere throughout the house. I also have these crystal ornaments that I'm going to use. I used these last year and I think the year before that. But yeah, they're just crystal snowflakes, set of 12, so those will go really pretty with the black and white neutral theme. And then I just have some other ornaments, Coco and Armani's paw prints, and our stockings. That is everything, so I am going to go ahead and start decorating and bring you guys along. What do you think about that, Coco? Do you want to help decorate? Do you want to? Thank you! Okay, let's decorate.
Everyone's waiting for snow, kids and grown-ups alike. I don't wanna be riding my bike this time tomorrow. The weatherman says it's a go, but look in the sky, I don't know. Santa, can you please make it snow tomorrow? 'Cause for Christmas Day, everything should be white, all glistening and brightly aglow. For Christmas Day, Santa, won't you make it so I can make angels in the snow? Conditions are perfectly cold, so come on already. Truth be told, is it really too much to be asking for? Now look at the sky and give me just one reason why, Santa, you can make it snow.
So we just made a quick stop at Target because I realized I did not have a tree skirt. So I found this one. It looks so chic. It's black with white on the bottom. Absolutely beautiful. Again, I wasn't really looking for one like this. I just kind of came across it, so it's perfect. I'll show you guys what that looks like on the tree. And we also got poinsettia. It looks so beautiful. And I love this one because it's white, but it has like a little bit of a light pink tone to it. And it's just so beautiful.
'Cause for Christmas Day, everything should be white, all glistening and brightly aglow. For Christmas Day, Santa, won't you make it so I can make angels in the snow.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. up above, they are shining with love. Listening to this song playing on. Listening to this song.